People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Amy. The people are responsive and very helpful. Went in to check about trading in and left with a deal I'd be stupid to pass up. Next up is Dan. We really appreciate Sunset Ford for all their attentiveness and professionalism. Our interaction with the sales staff as well as the service department have been everything we would hope for. And here's Sarah. Customer service was great and I received a discount for my cabin air filter. The amount of time it took to finish the oil change, cabin air filter change, and wiper change was amazing. Finally, here's Frank. There are lots of dealerships between us and Sumner, but we choose Sumner Ford. These guys take very good care of us. Pricing is great and they don't take advantage of us.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.